Gipahigayon kagahapon sa Department of Education ang awarding and recognition of distinguished stakeholders nga didto kini gipahigayon sa Naumis Botanical Garden mga alas 3 ang takna sa hapon. Din gitambungan kini sa mga barangay kapitan ning Dakbayan sa Osamis. Konsyal Cecil Co, ang chairman sa Committee on Education sa Sangguniang Panglungsod, SK Federated President Janfel Duhay Lungsod, Bureau of Fire Protection, Red Cross ug uban pa nga mga stakeholders nga modawat og award. Atol sa mga kalihukan, si Ma'am Lorena Serrano sa Osamis City Division ang mihatag og presentation report card calendar year 2025 sa ilang nahimo sa milabay nga 2025 ug tungod sa mga partner sa DepEd sa tanan nga mga stakeholders nahimong champion ang Brigada Eskwela. Atol sa mga kalihukan, si Ma'am Lorena Serrano sa Osamis City Division ang mihatag og presentation report card calendar year 2025 sa ilang nahimo sa milabay nga 2025 ug tungod sa mga partner sa DepEd sa tanan nga mga stakeholders nahimong champion ang Brigada Eskwela.
This afternoon, I will be presenting to you the 2025 Division Report Card. This is our accomplishment for calendar year 2025 and our abot for the whole calendar year. Today, we gather for the Stakeholders Convergence Com 3rd Brigada Eskwela Awards 2025, a celebration of unity, shared responsibility, and collective action. This event is a testament to the power of collaboration, where government, private institutions, volunteers, and communities come together with one common purpose: to uplift the quality of education and ensure that every learner is supported, protected, and inspired to succeed. Through the years, our journey has not been without challenges. We have weathered disruptions, crises, and uncertainties, yet we remain steadfast. What sustained us was not individual effort alone, but the strength of our partnerships. Because of you, our partners, our stakeholders, and Brigada Eskwela champions, the Schools Division of Osamis City continues to stand strong in service of 35,059 learners across 84 public and private schools, guided by 1,536 teaching and non-teaching personnel. You are the backbone of this division. In 2025, we made concrete strides in improving learning environments. We constructed 36 new classrooms, providing safe and conducive spaces for our learners. Through our nutrition initiatives, 3,805 undernourished elementary learners received hot meals, reaffirming our commitment to learner well-being. We strengthened industry linkages by partnering with textbook institutions, enabling 646 senior high school learners to train using state-of-the-art facilities. As a result, 642 learners earned national certifications, opening doors to employment and lifelong opportunities. Through to our commitment that no learner is left behind, we enrolled 333 learners with disabilities, ensuring inclusive and equitable education for all. Our workforce continues to grow and develop. 30 newly hired teachers were deployed to schools to ensure uninterrupted teaching and learning.
Si Ma'am Lorena Serrano, Schools Division Superintendent sa Osamis City Division. Alang sa DXDD Radio Campana, ang radyo sa simbahan, WD45 Dudong Bargamento, muduyog sa ika-75 katuig nga jubileo sa simbahan sa Archdiocese sa Osamis, Tanag, sa Dakbayan.